Hello and welcome to How to Play Sueca, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Sueca. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 4 players divided into 2 teams. Teammates sit across from each other. To play, you will need a 40-card deck, the aces down to the 2s in each suit, with the 10s, 9s, and 8s removed. The player right of the dealer will shuffle the cards. The player left of the dealer will cut the cards. Each player is dealt 10 cards, all 10 cards at a time. The bottom card of the cards dealt to the dealer is shown to all players. The suit of this card is the trump suit for the round. Hearts will be trump for this round. Sueca is a trick-taking card game. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking trump card will win the trick. If no trump card was played, the winner of the trick is the player with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest, then the 7s, followed by the king, jack, queen, then the 6s down to the 2s. The object of the game is to be the first team to win 4 game points. A game point is won by winning over 60 card points during a round. The amount of card points awarded are based on the value of cards you and your partner win in tricks. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player right of the dealer leads a card for the first trick. Player B plays the ace of spades. Other players must play a card in the same suit that was led whenever possible. Player C follows suit with the 2 of spades. Player D follows with the queen of spades. Player A follows with the 5 of spades. Player B wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. The player that wins the trick leads the next trick. Player B leads the next trick with the trump-suited 6 of hearts. Each other player follows the lead suit, and player D wins the trick with the highest ranking card. Player D leads the next trick with the 7 of spades. Player A follows suit with the 6 of spades. Player B cannot follow suit and can play any card. Player B plays the jack of diamonds. Player C also cannot follow suit and plays the trump-suited 7 of hearts. Player C wins the trick with the trump-suited card. Player C leads the next trick and play continues until all cards have been played. At the end of the round, players on the same team will combine the cards won in tricks during the round. Each team calculates the amount of card points won. Team 1 has 65 card points, Team 2 has 55 card points. Team 1 scored over 60 card points and gets the 1 game point. The first team to 4 game points wins the game. If a team gets 91 or more card points in a round, the team is awarded 2 game points. If a team wins every trick in a round, the team is awarded 4 game points and wins the game. If both teams tie for 60 points each in a round, the game point is carried over to the next round, making the next round worth 2 game points. That wraps up How to Play Sueca. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!